So now we are going to see about one use case from YOLO. So this is the object detections. Using object detection, you can detect the objects. Like I already told, right? So the 80 objects will be there. Using that one, you can detect the objects. I tell you. So in previous, you are using ultralytics, right?
Yes.
Ultralytics, but that's a new version. Okay, that's a new version. In older version, they are using like this format. They are using a computer vision and numpy and matplotlib. You already know computer visions for object detections and numpy for mathematical calculations and matplotlib plot for what, data visualizations. You are seeing like a graph, right? Okay,
Yes.
so in computer vision there is a darknet will be there, darknet, darknet network, so DNN, so readnet. So you just give the weights, and tiny configuration. I tell you how to download. Okay, I tell you how to download. I'll share
Okay.
this file. So Gautam, in previous we will see the YOLO version 8 nano, right?
Yes.
For previous one, you can just click the link, it automatically downloads. You can just click the link, it automatically downloads. See here. Yes,
Mm-hmm.
you can change copy into your folder where
Okay.
you can directly access this pt file. Okay,
Okay.
and the next one, for this experiments, for this use case, they are asking YOLO version 3 tiny weights, right? So you just YOLO version 3 tiny weights will be there, right?
Correct.
You just click the link, it automatically downloads. Okay, and the
Okay.
next one, they are asking tiny configuration, right? So and go to tiny configuration, just click. They are showing the configuration, Gautam. You just copy all the things, and save into
Okay.
notepad,
Okay. Okay.
okay, and rename the notepad, Gautam, here, YOLO version 3 hyphen tiny dot config. Okay,
Okay.
in this configuration, we will just give the filters, Gautam. Filter, sizes, stride, padding. We will give like that. So in previous, we will giving as a program, right? So here the
Yeah.
configurations will be stored as like this format.
Okay.
Hmm. And the next one is you have to download the coco.names. These also same. So like this. Okay. Here's the 80 objects name will be there, and
Okay.
you can copy all the things and paste into the notepad, and you can
With the same name.
give name it as
Coconut
coco.names.
names.
You can check, you can copy and paste into your same folder, Gautam. You will check all the files are will be there, tiny configuration, tiny weights, and YOLO version nano pt. Then I missed one, coco.names, here coco.names, right?
Coconut.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
So you can easily run this file. Okay, we just download the pre-trained model. Have you got my point?
Yes. Yes.
I'll share that file also. Okay, and see here I am reading the coco.names. Here I am reading the coco, automatically open the coco.names and read by one. So what is first object is person, and the second object is a bicycle. So it's split by lines. Each and every line is one object. Have you got my point?
Okay.
Okay. And this is my name of the image, image, Gautam. You can download the image. Okay. So this is my image. This is my image name. So, okay, I already downloaded from website. You can download
Mm.
any image. So my image is saved as a image hyphen one dot png format. If your image is JPG, you can give like that.
Okay.
If in case you have got any error, you can just ask ChatGPT.
Okay.
Hmm. If it does not find the error, you can ask me. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
So here the image has also height and width, right? And this is the
Yeah.
channel, right? So yesterday I told, right? So height, sorry, not
With an RGB.
height with the RGB color, right? It automatically
Mm.
prints. You can give. So this is also one of the variable, Kautam. So variable starts with underscore also. This is also one of the
Yeah. Yeah.
variable. You can give it as channels. You can replace it as channels, no issue.
Okay.
Uh, then the next one. So you have to convert this into same same height and width, Gautam. You have to minimize the image. height also, width also same, 320, 320. So you
Yeah,
will
as per the YOLO concept, the height and width needs to be same.
so it means then only you can split as a grid as a in common. Have you got my point?
Mm.
If it
Yeah,
is
yeah, yeah, yeah.
square shape, you can easily find out the grid pattern, right?
Correct.
So in the blob means 4-dimension array. So it means the image will be converted as a 4-dimension array. Have you got my point?
Okay.
Uh, so in computer vision, we are using .NET blob from image. So we will convert the image into blob. So we will give our image. So here the image will be there, image read. So you just give 1 divided by 255. So this is the color range. So our color range will be from 0 to 255, right?
Correct.
Then our what's the height and width? 320.
320 by 320. Yeah.
So if it is everything is 0, so it's a subtraction. Okay, nothing will be dust, so it will subtraction. So it is white color. Have you got my point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's just swap the RGB color. I already told, right? We will convert BGR into RGB, right?
To RGB.
So here only we will swap the RB. So
Okay.
G will be center, right? G will be center, right? We just swap the
Correct.
R and B.
RB.
So crop is false. We will not crop the picture,
Image. Mm.
and but we will resize the image, right? You can Gautam, you can give 320, 320, or else you can give 416, 416, or else you
416
can
by 416 or
or else
308 by 308.
yes. So now
It's your wish.
your image is set to input as a, you can see the blob shape. So one image will be there, the channel is 3 and height and width is 320. Have you got my point?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it.
And come to out layer name. So this is a run forward pass. So get unconnected out layer names means it automatically shows. I'll tell you, YOLO forward, we will just using the output layer names. So I tell you, Gautam, in out layer names, we will only have YOLO 16 and YOLO 23. Okay, YOLO
Okay.
16 we are using big objects, but YOLO 23 we are using small objects, a rat, grasshopper, like small objects.
Okay, okay.
So YOLO
So these are the predefined functions, huh?
so yes, Gautam, YOLO 23 means it has more convolutional and pooling layer, Gautam.
Okay.
So if you are using more convolution and pooling layer, it will detect small objects also.
Okay.
So, but in YOLO 16, it has certain layers, convolution pooling layers. So it also detects large objects.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
So you are using both of them here.
Yeah. So then only we are using get unconnected out layers names.
Okay.
Okay. But if we will using forward, we just given here. Okay. We will just given here. I tell you. It detects one by one, Gautam. So the layer outputs will detect one by one. I tell you, just imagine. So this is one of the point. The window is one of the point. The wall is one of the point, Gautam. You just assume
Okay.
this is in grid pattern. This is one of the point, and this is one of the point. This is one of the point. Well, the point will be
Mm.
select here. This is a find the person.
Correct.
The point will be there. This is not a person because this is a less threshold, right?
Above the
Uh,
50%,
uh,
the
uh,
head will not be there.
Depends on your training, Gautam. Depends on your training. Okay, I tell you.
Mm.
So this is the 0.08 means here the point. Here the point is 0.08.
Okay.
It not shows as an image. It shows as an array.
Okay.
Here, see my mouse cursor. So this is the point 0.08.
Okay.
Likewise, it will check one by one. Like so, that's called forward pass. Forward.
Okay. Okay.
I tell you in briefly. So in layer outputs, we will take the zeroth index. In layer output, we will take the this is enough for us. This is enough for us. In layer output, we will take as a zeroth index. See, Gautam. So this is the this is the center X, Gautam. I already told, right? So this is the center X. This is the center Y, Gautam.
Okay.
Just to see the image. Just see the monkey here. See the monkey here. This is the centralized point. This is the centralized point, and this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis, and this is the height. and this is the width. These are the things will represent as this coding.
Oh,
Have you
okay,
seen?
okay.
Just assume this is the center x, this is the center y. See here, I written here. This is the width, and this is the height, and this is the objectness code, and this is the 80 objects, Gautam. If it is
Okay.
if it is person, the score will be high.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Uh,
It, depending on the detection, the value will increase so
yes.
that the background process will
Here,
understand this is a
yes.
person and gives the output as
Yes,
person.
yes. It from the 80 objects or not. So all are
Okay.
zero, Gautam. So it is not
Hmm.
present in that 80 object, right?
Correct, correct.
So here now we will produce the outputs like boxes and conference code and class inputs. So we will convert layer. We will take as a layer output as a output. We will take a layer output as a. This is the layer
Output.
outputs. We will take as a output. Output we will take as a deduction. What are the things we will take as a deduction? We will take from colon 5 colon to entire concept, right?
Hmm, correct.
While taking the, so this is the score deduction, right? If the score is high, we will easily deduct the score. So now all score are zero, right?
Correct.
Then this is the class property. This next one is class ID, Gautam. If the score is high, we will find the ID, right? So
Correct,
if the
correct.
first score is high, we will find it's a person. So if the second score is high, we will find it's a bicycle. We already, you can see the
The
names
in
of,
that AIT list, whatever the number is
yes,
high,
yes,
that will be
Gautam.
picked up.
Yes, in your Coco names, we have the 80 object names, right?
Correct.
First one is person, next one is bicycle. So remaining
Bicycle.
all are the another objects. The
80,
next one
80.
is
Yeah, yeah.
conference score. If you have a score and class ID, you can definitely we have the conference score. It may be 80 percentage or 70 percentage or 90 percentage like that, 100 percentage like that. Have you got it?
Okay, okay.
But my
Yeah, yeah.
score should be 70 percentage, above 70 percentage. If you are given less, then only you maybe deduct the objects. But I'm given the 70 percentage, right? So only deducts the 70 percentage of object. Have you got my point, Gautam? 74,
Yeah.
80, 82, 90, 70 percentage. So above,
You are giving the threshold in the coding itself. I don't want low confidence
Gautam,
images. I want only.
it's Gautam. It's not a threshold. It's a confidence score.
Yeah, yeah.
70
So
percentage.
you can take 60% confidence score also
No.
by giving 0.6.
Yes, Gautam. But we will
But
not.
you are
We will
giving,
not take
you are
only.
not considering that one. You are considering about the confidence score is about 0.70% only. You are considering.
Or also you can take as a 90 percentage.
Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah.
And this is the formula of center x, y, and width and height and x and y. You just give it. So let assume, Gautam, you will take output as a deduction, right?
Correct.
So the output as a deduction means what? So this is this thing. So I already told, right? So first one is center x, right?
Correct.
This is center x. So see here. So this is the center x. Deduction 0 is
Yes.
center x. Deduction 1 is center y. So deduction 2 is width, and this is the
Height.
height. So you can, using this formula, you can find the x and y. Now
Yes.
you are append all these things x, y, with height, because if you want to generate the box, we need all the things, is right?
Correct. Correct.
In
Access and width and
conference
height.
score also we have a point, right?
Correct.
So come to the
70%.
class IDs, we will append the class ID also. So
Okay.
now the list are empty, so it automatically enters into add into the list. Have you got it?
Yes.
Have you got it? So
Yes. Yes. Yes.
let move on. So this is our deduction, and the next one is score value. So the score value is what? Gautam, the score value is what? So start from 5 colon. So 5 colon means it automatically returns these are the score values. So here, we are just seeing here. Okay.
Okay.
And the next one is boxes, Gautam. So this is the box. So this is the x and y and height and width. X and y, height and width.
Height and width.
So okay, wow. So this is the point. So only we will generate the 5 boxes. We will generate the 5 boxes, and this is the conference score, Gautam. So 70 percentage, 89, 74, 81, 80. You can easily see here, right? Yes.
Only one, two, three, four, five. Okay.
We have five boxes. It automatically predicts the five. Now
Hmm.
you can see the class IDs. So first four are person. These are the person and this is the bicycle.
Object. Hmm.
If it is another object, it will returns as a 2. It will another object, it returns as a 3. Depends on the object index.
Okay. Okay.
Now we are applying the non-maximum suppression. Here the box and control score. Here we are using a threshold value. The threshold value should be in 0.5. Okay,
Okay.
we will not take below. This is the non-maximum suppression. We will remove this. We will remove this object. If it is 40 percentage, we will remove. If the threshold will be 50 percentage or greater than 50 percentage, we will take the point. Have you got it?
Okay.
Now we will see the index position, Gautam. So the first 70 percentage index is 1 and the 89 percentage index is 3 and likewise. Have you got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
So why we are taking the indexing means I tell you. So we will convert as a we will give the name. So this is a font size. So this is the
Okay.
font size, person font size. You can give any font size name. Okay, and the random uniform, you are using random uniform. The color is from 0 to 25. Sorry, 255. It automatically is from different color. Now person will be represents as green color and bicycle will be represents as gray color, right?
Yeah.
So size length class means, so what is the class length? Class length is 80 object will be there, right?
Correct.
So 3 is the RGB color.
Yeah.
And the next one is, now we will deduct and draw the line. So here we using index and flatten line. So flatten line means all the array will convert as a one dimension, right?
Correct.
If you are finding the zeroth index, Gautam, if you are finding the zero, the indexes will be print one by one. So this is our indexes, right, Gautam? This is our indexes, right? So what is the first index?
Yeah.
1. So box one and class ID 1, and it shows the class ID 1. So it will shows the point up to 2 points. So if it is the score will be there, so the points will be takes the 2 decimal points.
So you are rounding them off. Hmm.
Yes, you can using round function.
Yes.
And the color also you can use color IDs. So the box should be in rectangle. We will give image and x and y axis, and we need x plus y width and height and color also 2 pixel. Now the rectangle box will be draw here.
Oh, okay. Okay.
And the next one is put text. So put text means it automatically shows like person space 0.7, right? So we will give
Correct.
label means you can person or any other labels. So this is the space and this is the confidence score. We will give us a config.
Okay.
You can give axis. You can give any axis. It will shows here or here or here or here. You can give any axis.
Okay.
This is the font size of text and this is the text size and this is the white color and this is the width, text width.
Yeah.
Have you got my point?
On top of the detection box only, you are giving this font size and the
Yes,
text.
yes. Okay. And next one is, now we are converting to BGR to RGB because we want to see the graph. Have you seen?
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Gautam, I will not this. I will not run this line. So if I run, then only it detects the object.
Correct.
Have you seen the
And
person
gives
will
the
be in
output.
color?
Correct. Correct.
By
Color has
running,
been changed.
if you run again, run and run, it will change differ. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have any doubts, Gautam?
No, no. I don't have any
Kindly
doubts.
do the code, Gautam.
Sure.
And definitely take the notes. And today's class is over, Gautam. That's all. Do you
Okay,
have any
Vasan.
doubts?
No, no.
Oh,
If I
okay.
have any, I will reach out to
Oh,
you.
okay.